Hello everyone, welcome to our new YouTube channel Snacks and Steaks. Today we're gonna be cooking you guys some mixed grilled chicken. We actually forgot to film the marinade process in general, but what we did is basically we cut some fried chicken into pieces, we put them into the stick, and then we left them to marinate for 2 hours. So basically guys, the marinade is salt, pepper, paprika, lemon juice, a little bit of shredded garlic, and then olive oil. That's it. We left it in the fridge for 2 hours, and then we took it out and left it to sit in the room temperature for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, now we're gonna actually lightly salt them. I'm gonna lightly salt both sides. Okay everyone, now we're gonna actually put the chicken on the grill. Make sure the grill is hot enough so you can hear that sound. After you put it on the grill, you need to kind of push it a little bit. So it has those beautiful grill marks. That was the last piece. Guys, now we're gonna actually flip the chicken. Look how beautiful they look. We are currently cooking them on medium heat. We're gonna kind of press it a little bit because we just flipped them. Okay guys, we just flipped them for the last time. They're gonna take about like 3 minutes, that's it. So the general process, you need to be cooking them. It's gonna take you guys about 12 to 15 minutes depending on the wetness you guys like. So for me, I like the mixed grill about medium one, just kinda tender. So it's gonna take me about 12 minutes. If you guys like it well done, it's gonna take you guys about 15 to 16 minutes. Okay guys, we left them to rest for about 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Now we're gonna actually have a bite. Honestly guys, it's amazing, really. They come off easy, look at that. Beautiful, honestly. Let's have another bite. One of the best dishes I ever made.